Art, what are we gonna do today?
Go to the blue pools. It's very blue, they say.
And it is blue. And blue it is. Look how blue. Beautiful. We arrived in the middle of nowhere. There's only one road, full of tourists.
And it's time for another vlog. How about that?
Blue pools,
Blue pools!
together with all of our friends, the sand flies again.
Oh, Art's skiing. Art's skiing. Art's gonna jump from the bridge.
I can't wait.
It is not the perfect weather, but we're still gonna make the most of it. 30 minutes? What? Access to Blue and Young valleys. We are on the west coast. The west coast is the region where you have millions and millions and millions of sandflies. Dracula of our west coast. Here he is. So first part, go straight through the natives.
So right now, Arwin is exploring the native bush. It's very loose for the perfect shot. Okay, coming in hot.
So we are almost at the west coast in New Zealand. That's a region where it rains 250 days a year, and that's why this native forest looks so lush and green. Boardwalk.
Before we jump in, I'm gonna test how cold it actually is. And it is blue. And that's a bridge where you can jump from. Oh, this is not the bridge because it's very shallow.
And blue it is. I think when the sun's out, it's even bluer, but it's already blue right now. Look how clear it is. It's shallow over here, so we're gonna try to find another bridge to jump from, because we know it's possible. We know it because of the internet. How are the pictures turning out?
It's a bit cloudy. For the rest, it's pretty epic. Awesome. Magnificent. Brilliant.
It's chaos over here.
It's
Too
very
many
busy.
tourists.
Very busy.
Okay, go.
It'll be very cold. Cold, man. And Maurits is very keen.
Take it.
So we made it on the final suspension bridge where you can jump from.
So here it's pretty deep. 5, 6, how many?
I think about 6-7 meters.
At least. Look how blue. Beautiful.
21 feet.
Beautiful. So we're gonna jump. And there you can see how deep it is. The rocks. Do you see the rocks? They just go into the water. Yeah, that's pretty deep.
Okay, are we? 3, 2, 1. Yeah!
2, 1. Yeah!
Goal!
Woo!
Nice!
Cold. Oh, it's a pretty high jump. Pretty insane. Now it's Art's turn. So Art is climbing over the fence. That's actually an adventure itself. Yes, on the edge. And look at it. This is pretty deep. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. One more countdown. 3, 2, 1.
3, 2.
Nice. Yes! Oh, there you go. Shit. That was freaking scary. Art! How cold was it? How high was it?
Freaking high.
You got a whole audience Art, you got an audience. Lucky you.
Bungee jumping is scarier. Not scarier. This is scarier.
So this is probably the shortest, but also one of the coldest adventures we've ever done in New Zealand. Check this. There are at least 1 million sandflies over here. But I'm gonna climb back up for a second time. It's beautiful and the sun just peeked over the mountains. Very beautiful.
Yeah,
nice. Yeah. Very mooi koud. Drie, 2, 1.
Armin jumped for a third time from the suspension bridge.
Until so far, the blue poos, we have to hurry back. Million sandflies. Art, how many stars for the blue poos?
5 out of 5, guys. Maurits already left because
Yeah.
of the million sandflies. So let's make it a 4.5 out of 5 because of
Yeah.
the sandflies.
Yeah, that's true. And we're back in normal outfit. So change of plans. To the blue poos we go back to Wanaka. Over the Haas Pass. It is stunning. The whole west coast is stunning actually. You got beautiful mountains. Very moody. And this is really how the west coast looks like. I think it's always cloudy here. That's the end of the adventure.